Play to learn, teaching STEM through problem-solving activities by Xinxin and Ziqi. Teaching STEM concepts to children under 5 seems not very developmentally appropriate. STEM is a fascinating subject that can spark curiosity and wonder in young minds. However, many educators believe that STEM concepts are too complicated for young children to understand. But is that really the case? As an educator working in early childhood, you must have seen firsthand how children can grasp scientific concepts with ease if we presented them in the right way. First, let's talk about what is STEM and what is play-based problem solving. STEM in early childhood education is the intentional integration of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics into the learning experiences of young children. It fosters curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking skills. STEM education could also enhance problem-solving skills through play-based activities. It encourages children to understand complex problems by breaking them down into small parts.
For example, educators could conduct a bridge building activity with children. Materials including blocks, Legos, small toy cars or trucks. Paper and pencils can be provided. The educator could explain to the children that they will build a bridge for their toy cars to cross. Then provide them with blocks or Legos and encourage them to plan and build their own bridge. Then encourage children to think about the materials they are using, the shape of the bridge, and how it will support the weight of the cars. Once the bridge is complete, test it by placing the toy cars on it and see if it can support their weight. The educator could further encourage children to make modifications to their bridge to improve its strength or stability. The educator could also foster discussion with children about building structures and other physical properties of the bridge. This kind of play-based activity engages children in problem solving and critical thinking as they play and build their bridge. Children got to experiment with different materials and shapes, test and modify their designs based on the results. It also incorporates elements of science and engineering as they learn about the materials and how to apply engineering principles to design a strong and stable structure.
Here are some practical tips of how teachers can promote problem solving in a STEM context. 1. Educators could break down a complex problem into parts and discuss the steps taken to solve each part with children. 2. Educators could share experiences of how they have solved similar problems in the past and talk about the thought processes behind their solutions. 3. Educators could demonstrate how to use specific tools and resources to solve a problem. 4. Educators could use open-ended questions to promote critical thinking and problem solving. 5. Educators could encourage children to think aloud and explain their thought process while solving a problem.
Lastly, there are many websites available to help early childhood educators develop their STEM teaching skills. Here are a few examples. The first one is Early Learning STEM Australia. The program developed a series of play-based STEM digital apps linked to the Early Years Learning Framework for improving children's learning skills and building the capacity of early learning educators. The second one is Let's Count. This is an early mathematics program for educators and parents to develop the mathematics skills of the children through using everyday activities. And there are some resources for educators looking to develop their STEM teaching skills. The first one offers science experiments that can be conducted by educators and parents to foster the curiosity of young children. The second one provides 5 practical strategies for adults to support children's STEM skills in daily life. All the resources links are available below the video description.
Teaching STEM to children through play-based problem-solving activities are fun and rewarding. Thank you for listening.